welcome to a new advent video. Today is December 19, which means we're opening boxes 19, starting with the Body Shop. Number 19 is over here. It says Rosa Parks become known as the mother of the freedom movement in the United States after she refused to give up her seat on a bus to a white passenger in 1955. And it says inside is a red lipstick. Color is Cherry Gum 004. Okay. Number 19 on this one is a, forget those. I must say, this annoys the crap out of me. I'm not gonna ask my sister again. Got it. It's a Great Lash Mascara, Blackest Black. This one. The NYX is this one. And it's a Away We Glow liquid highlighter. Ooh, in the color Rose Quartz. So this is what I got today. A lipstick from the Body Shop, mascara from Maybelline, and a liquid highlighter from NYX. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow.